Okay, black to move. This one, just try to calculate. Try to do everything in your head. All right, the only tricky part about this one is that we have a rook pawn. So we have to be very careful so that this king doesn't get to the promotion square, or that they don't block us and we can never get out of the H file. So I'm thinking king e6, king takes, king f5, they take, king d5, king g4, king e4. If I take, then this could be a draw. So let me give you some time for you to calculate again and think about it. All right, if you didn't know it, now you know it, and you're not gonna forget this idea. So instead of running right away, what if I just play h5? Not only am I getting closer, there you go. Not only am I getting closer to that promotion, but I'm making this king get away from the pawns. So h5, now it's gonna take him longer for them to get the pawns if they go back, or they simply make it easier for me to get to this pawn. Boom, take. You see now, even if they go here, even if they go to d5, I take, king e4, I'm just in time to get out and then push. All right, next one. All right, this one, the same thing. We don't need to rush that pawn. The moment they advance, we're going to be able to play king f7, king g8. So we just push, promote with check, always paying attention to the promotion squares. You get to these king and pawn endgames on the time pressure, well, quickly scan where should I promote, right? So anyways, we push, control, control, and the pawn is gone. Even if they push this one, I'm gonna get there faster with check. All right. Now this one, should we run or should we control that first? All right. Bring it on. We're almost done here. This is number, well, actually look, this is number 20 already. Let's get it to, take it to number 25 and then we play some games, guys. All right, this one should be easy. I think the answer is just, not so easy. So a5, e4. Okay, yeah, this one the trick is what we said at the beginning. Pay attention to the promotion square. I want to promote here. That's the only thing to keep in mind. So I go, and now if I take, that's a mistake. I need to promote right here with check. So I advance, and that's it. Promote with check, and you should know how to win that, guys. Queen versus pawn on 7th. We had a video on it. Lesson number, I want to say 90, well, 90 something. All right. Next one, takes, g4, and the pawn goes. Does it go? Yeah, same trick. Once they take, I need to promote on g8. So when I go g4, if they don't take me, I keep going and promote with check. If they take me, they wasted a tempo with that pawn, and then I just get closer to promotion. So take. Now look, I don't want to waste a move by taking here, so I keep going. And that's it, promotion. This is number 23. Okay, rook endgame, trickier than king and pawn, but let's take our time here. All right, this one is easy actually. This one is easy, take your time. That's it. Check. If they go down, of course, mate. If they go up, well, the same thing. So check, and then they cannot stop the checkmate. Bum, bum, and mate. All right, two more. Haha. All right, this is a nice one. I'm gonna give you 1 or 2 minutes because this one is you have to calculate. H3, wait, H3, pawn takes, and you can push with another position. So you're saying H3, pawn takes, King G3. Don't forget, if you do that, automatically you get yourself a rook pawn. For the rook pawn, all that they need to do to defend properly is to get to the promotion square. So this one is King G3 first, King G1, then H3, pawn takes, and then King H3. So I want to leave this pawn to be a knight pawn, not a rook pawn. When I take here, if they go King H3, G3, King G1, G2, they gotta get out King H2. Take a moment to visualize all of that. King G3, King G1, H3, pawn takes, King H1, G3, King G1, G2, King F2, King H2. So here we go. And that's it. All right, last one. Right, instantly it has to be trading, followed by coming over to control that pawn. These two are just too strong. Two connected pass pawns, too much. Boom. And I'm doing it quickly now because we've done 24 already, which is pretty much the same thing. Okay, control, and then this one goes. All right, guys, that makes it 25. If you're not doing this on your own, you should make it part of your weekly training. End games, tactics. Make sure that you go. One day you do your end games, one day you do your tactics, middle game strategy. You have to, okay? All right. If you guys are down for a game, oh, I got the game actually. I got it right here.